Curious about the impact of artificial intelligence on the future? Dive into the fascinating world of AI and discover groundbreaking innovations that are revolutionizing industries and everyday life. 1. Understanding AI fundamentals. Learn about the key elements of AI, including machine learning, neural networks, and natural language processing. Whether you're intrigued by the technology's complexity or its simplicity, we want to hear your thoughts and ideas. 2. AI in healthcare. Uncover how AI is transforming patient care, from diagnostics to personalized medicine. What role do you think AI plays in healthcare's future? Share your opinions and insights below. 3. AI and automation. Explore the advancements in AI-driven automation, from productivity boosts to innovative solutions. What are your views on the evolution of automation in the workplace? Feel free to comment on how you see it. 4. AI in education. Explore the opportunities and potential of AI in enhancing personalization in education, as well as improving student learning outcomes. The future of education is exciting, and we want to hear how you think AI can benefit both students and educators. 5. Ethical considerations. Address the complex ethical challenges and concerns that surround AI development and deployment. What are the ethical dilemmas you find most pressing, and how do you think they may be resolved? Share your thoughts and perspectives. 6. AI and entertainment. Learn about the transformative effect of AI on entertainment, from content creation to personalized recommendations. What are your thoughts on how AI is reshaping the entertainment landscape? Share your experiences and preferences. 7. AI and sustainability. Investigate how AI is contributing to sustainable practices in environmental conservation. What role do you believe AI should play in sustainability efforts? Feel free to share your views on the subject. 8. The future of work. Discover how AI is redefining the future of work and the skills needed in a rapidly changing world. How do you prepare for the upcoming changes brought by AI to your profession? Share your strategies and opinions. 9. AI and transportation. Explore the possibilities and advancements in AI-driven transportation, from autonomous vehicles to smart transportation systems. What do you think about AI-driven transportation? Share your thoughts and preferences. 10. AI in everyday life. Understand how AI is becoming an integral part of our daily lives, from virtual assistants to smart home devices. How are you using AI in your daily routine? Share your preferences and experiences with us.